Here we have a 2016 66 plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you get the full M Performance styling kit, as you can see by the front splitter and side skirt just there. We've got the black kidney grills at the front. We've got a fantastic looking grey wrap on this vehicle as well. 20-inch alloys all round, all in excellent condition, as you can see just there, complemented by the yellow brake calipers just behind. We've got the side skirt at the bottom, just below the M Performance badging. We've got the carbon style wing mirrors as well, as you can see just there. Black door handles. We've got black trim around the windows. We've got the black wrap on top of the vehicle with the black shark fin antenna. We've got the privacy glass for the rear passengers as well. Coming to the rear, you've got your second 20-inch alloy wheel. We've then got this carbon style spoiler as well, and how fantastic does that look? Really sets the back end off nicely. Now we do also have both front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle with a visual display inside. Dual exit exhaust on the bottom left, and then let's go on to that interior. Now starting at the rear, we have got the full black Dakota leather interior, and how great do these seats look? Incredibly comfortable. We've got ISOFIX points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre. We've got our vents in the middle just there. On the doors we've got our electric window controls with brushed metal handles and integrated speakers. Coming into the front here, we've got that same full black Dakota leather interior, and again, how great do these seats look? Now step inside out of the rain. We've got our engine start button just behind here. Turn the vehicle on, we'll just close those windows. Now on the doors we've got our brushed metal handle, electrically adjustable wing mirrors with electric window controls and child lock for the rear. Auto lights on our right just there. Taking a step back, we've got our speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind, auto wipers on our right. Coming into the middle, you've got your infotainment screen, so on here you'll find things like navigation, which you can see at the moment. We've then got different forms of media connectivity, like our USB, Bluetooth and auxiliary. We've also got CD as well. Going down, we've got our DAB radio. I'll just turn off those wipers. There we go. We've also got telephone connectivity to play music and to make calls from our phone. We've also got different driving modes, so on here you'll find things like Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco. Put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got our front and rear visual display of our sensors on the display just there. Coming down, we've then got stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. Below here we've got our dual zone climate controls, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently with convenient shortcuts like the max AC just there. Of course we have got the ice cold air conditioning on as well. Additional storage space, 2 good sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity. We've then got our traction control, different mode selects. We can turn off our parking sensors just there. Control wheel and more shortcuts for the infotainment screen. Soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage, and in there you'll find a USB port and auxiliary input as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.